judges, and all my dear friends. My name is Pulamani Marani. I read in class 4th in Bapuji Public School. And also I am a student of UGLU Karate Do Kedukai Association of India as well as Sonen Do Rehogan Association of India. First of all, I really thankful to Saksai and judges who gave me chance to speak on Republic Day. And I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating 76th Republic Day of our country. Republic Day is the national festival of our country. On 26th January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. The Constitution of India, Supreme Law, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of our Constitution. Our Constitution is the foundation of our democracy. Republic Day makes us realize the importance of democracy. This day teaches us to live in peace and unity. We should respect our Constitution on 26 January. The President of India hoists the flag in New Delhi. We should understand the importance of this day. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Thank you, Jai.
Country Pradhan, respected sensei, judges, and all my dear friends. Today is 26 January, 76th Republic Day of India. On this day, the Indian Constitution came into force. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution of India. 26 November is known as National Law Day or Constitution Day. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of Indian Constitution. Now we are able to living life in peace and freedom due to Constitution. India is a republic country. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get freedom from British. Our Constitution is the world's longest written Constitution. But still, we are not obeying all the rules of it. In every sector, some corruptions are happening. The main aim of Constitution is to convert India to a developed country. As we all are small kids, we don't know more about Constitution. But by obeying to our parents and teachers' advice, we can be a good person in future. In future, without doing any corruption, we can do our duty with full of dedication and honesty. We should respect, obey, and trust all the rules of Constitution. But in some cases, our law is not so strong, like acid attack, women violence, and recently a lady doctor at Kolkata raped and murdered. As we all know that India got its independence on 15th August 1947, but the country didn't have its own constitution. Instead, India was developed by the laws implemented by British. It holds special importance in the history of India. As a result, we can become a great person or elect a great leader to develop our country. Let us carry the essence of Republic Day beyond this moment. The spirit of unity and diversity should be our guiding light.
Thank you.
Of Mother Teresa Public School. Today we all are here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day. Salute to all my freedom fighters who made this country free from slavery after many years of struggle by sacrificing their lives. The Free India after independence needed some Our system abide by certain laws to form their existence, otherwise the system would have collapsed. Likewise, for our character building and valuable social being, we have to follow the lessons of Bhagavad Gita. Similarly, to keep alive our nation's integrity among our diverse culture, religion, and faith, our freedom fighters made some legal framework for all the citizens of our country to sustain fraternity, sovereignty, and equality. Is called Constitution. The Indian Constitution book of 22-inch length, 16-inch width, containing 251 pages, developed by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, was first adopted by India on 26 January 1950. From that day, we all are celebrating Republic Day throughout the nation to mark our strength of unity, abiding constitutional laws despite various diversity. Once again, my heartfelt tribute